Let's go and enhance our video from this appearance to this appearance using CapCut video editor. Let's go there. Some people think you have to buy many lights, different color. No, you don't have to. With one rig light, just like I have here, and one other light, you can achieve this. Even if you don't have this other light, I don't know your name, you can use one rig light just like this to enhance your video yourself and also your background from this to this. Do you understand? So you don't have to spend much money. All you need is your Android phone or your iPhone, and you achieve this to this. In fact, if you haven't started content creation, don't say it's because of phone, because I'm using an Android phone to shoot this video right now. All I did is to relight my body and my stage. Remember, the future of relighting in CapCut is a pro features. If you don't have a CapCut Pro, you can achieve this feature, but I want you to watch how to do it, and at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you how to get your CapCut Pro for free or almost free. So I remain Zach at Opportunities Niche. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. Here is the original video shot with rig light and one other light. Let's relight and improve the video lighting. Click on the clip, locate relights. We locate mysterious purple effect. I will double click. I will click on light 1, take my intensity to 60, distance to 100, height to 100, brightness to 50, and I will apply to background only, and the effect has been applied to background only. Now I will click on light 2. I will drag light 2 from here to down because I don't need the lightning. Now I have the dim light, and I will apply to background only to dim it more. Perfect. Now I have my ideal background, as you can see. Let's preview. So you can see this enhanced background to the original light that was used in shooting this video. And by the way, you can have more than 3 background or 3 background, just like you see some people used to have this. You can play with other options of light, different lightning background you have here. For instance, if you click on this, double click, so you can have 3 background lights. You can have 3 light, 1, 2, 3, and each of the light you can adjust the red, like you can see, to the extent you want it to cover. Then you click on light 2 and you choose the color of the light from this option. You can see this is just the pink adjust, and you can drag it to the extent distance you want it to cover from the screen. I want the purple to cover this. Then you can go to light 3, click on light 3 and choose maybe blue light, and you can decide to say, okay, you want the blue light to cover to your chest, and you can even add additional light. Then select the color of light, and this is when you see people end up with different coloration of light, and you will think they actually use by different lighting, and no, they didn't. They only use CapCut, just like I've show you. So you can play with all these settings, adjust the distances, the radius, and see what it gives you. Thanks for watching. All right, I almost forgot. I promise you on how to get CapCut Pro so that you'll be able to achieve this feature of relighting yourself and your background. So to get CapCut Pro, you can get the cracked version. Sometimes it malfunction. From this address, go to this address and search for CapCut Pro, download it and install it. Sometimes it might not work properly, but if you want to actually get it, you can get into my pro video editing class. You buy my course, and once you buy my course, you'll be able to get access to CapCut Pro, which I cannot reveal to you here. Those are the 2 ways you can go for it. Or if you have the money, you can also subscribe to the CapCut Pro. I think it's $9 point something per month. If you don't want to go that way, you get my paid course, which the link is in the description of this video. Pay for it and I will give you access to CapCut Pro.